In a world filled with bustling cities and technology, it's easy to forget the beauty that surrounds us. We are going to travel deep into the heart of nature today, where each leaf and bird's song narrates the story of life as it is most basic. Nature never ceases to captivate us with its boundless range of hues and noises. Life is like a symphony, with every component performing in perfect unison with the others. All creatures in the forest, regardless of size, have a specific role to perform. Sunrise greets us with its gentle embrace, painting the sky in hues of pink and gold. As the day unfolds, we witness the dance of light and shadow, casting enchanting patterns through the canopy of trees. Nature's artistry is unmatched. It's in the delicate petals of a flower, the graceful flight of a butterfly, and the silent strength of ancient trees standing tall against the test of time. Yet, amidst this beauty, there lies a lesson, a reminder of our responsibility to cherish and protect this fragile world. Each tree felled, each habitat lost, echoes through the intricate web of life. As we stand in awe of nature's wonders, let us pledge to be stewards of this precious gift. For, in its preservation, lies the promise of a future where generations yet to come can marvel at the same wonders that inspire us today. Welcome to a world where time slows down and the symphony of nature takes center stage. Here, amidst towering trees and vibrant wildflowers, we discover a realm that whispers tales of resilience, harmony, and boundless beauty. In this intricate tapestry of life, every detail holds a story waiting to be heard. From the delicate dance of pollination to the rhythmic cadence of a flowing river, nature weaves its magic in every corner of this enchanting landscape. As night falls, a new spectacle unfolds. The celestial canvas above paints a picture of wonder and mystery, reminding us of our place in the vast cosmos. Here, under the blanket of stars, we find solace and inspiration. Yet, amidst this grandeur lies a poignant truth, a call to action. The delicate balance of ecosystems is fragile, and our actions reverberate far beyond our immediate surroundings. It is our duty, as caretakers of this planet, to preserve and protect its natural wonders for future generations. Through collective effort and unwavering dedication, we can safeguard the diversity and resilience of our planet. Every small gesture, every act of conservation, contributes to the greater tapestry of life that sustains us all. As we embark on this journey through the heart of nature, let us embrace its beauty, cherish its wonders, and commit ourselves to preserving its magic for generations to come.
Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the videos. See you at the next one.